Hi, my name is Ben, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to list and advertise your courses on courses.org.nz for free. The first step is to sign up to the Silver package. To sign up, click on the big Got a Course, click here to list it on the front page. And then click on the Silver package sign up button. You'll be asked for a few details about yourself. Once you have signed up, you'll be shown a few welcome pages that will discuss some of the concepts used in this site. You can read these or exit out of them and start adding your courses. This is the course management screen that you will be presented with once you have signed up or each time you log into the site. You will notice two boxes on the screen. The left is the courses box that contains all the courses you have set up, and the right will show all the dates that the currently selected course runs on. So to get started on adding a course, you'll need to click the Add button or click on Add a Course Now in the Courses box, like so. The first thing you're asked for is a course name. In this example, I'm going to create a course called Photography for Beginners. I now need to choose a subject. To choose the subject, click on Find and you're presented with a list of subjects. Some subjects have sub-subjects, which can be seen by clicking on the subjects as such. You can click on a subject again to close that subject's sub-subjects. If you can't find a relevant subject, then click on Here at the bottom. You can then input a new subject. This subject will temporarily appear under the miscellaneous subject, but will be moved into an appropriate subject within a few days. So for my course, I'm going to choose the subject photography, which is under the art and craft subject. As you can see, when I clicked OK, the subject name has appeared in the dialog. You are next asked for a course description. This is just a few words to describe your course and give new students an idea of what the course is about. So I'm going to add a course description now. My description talks about the course and gives it a few details about what is covered in that course. The requirement field is an optional field that can be used to mention any previous courses that a student must have attended or mention any items they must bring or provide. So for this course, the only requirement is that the student must bring their own camera. Now we've completed all the fields on this dialog box, we can click OK to add this course. The course now appears in the courses box, and the course date box to the right is now enabled. We can now add course dates for this course. You can do this by either clicking the Add in the bottom corner of the course dates box or by clicking Add a Course Date Now. So the first thing you're asked for is the area. In this case, the course is being held in Tauranga. The next thing you're asked for is the location, which is generally going to be an address. The next field is the type of course date this is. There are two types of course dates, either a block or a weekly course. Now, a block course means that the course will run on consecutive days. For instance, a weekend course where the course may run on the Saturday and the Sunday. A weekly course is a course that runs over several weeks, but at the same time and day each week. So, for instance, a night course that may run every Wednesday night. So for this one, I'm going to choose a weekly course. You can then click on the start date below to actually provide the date that the course starts. So I'm going to choose the 5th of October, which is a Tuesday night. Because this is a weekly course, you are asked for the number of weeks. So in this case, this course lasts for 8 weeks. You are then asked for the time of the course. This course I'm going to run in the evening at 7 o'clock. You are then asked for how many hours each lesson is. In this case, I'm going to put 2. And the final thing you're asked for is the price in dollars. which I'm going to put at $120. The box at the bottom of the screen contains the enrolment details. This is automatically set to include your phone number and your name. You may wish to change the phone number at this stage, or you may wish to put in some other details on how people can enroll, but in this scenario I'm going to keep it the same. So to finish adding this course date, I'm going to click OK. You are then presented with the course details as they will appear to the students. If you are happy with these details, then click Publish. Now, if you are unhappy, you can click Edit to go back and change any of those details, or you can click Delete to remove all the details, or Save if you're unsure about certain details but wish to return at a later time to finish it. When you click Publish, you will no longer be able to edit the details. That is because the details will appear both on the front screen and in your own personal web page at courses.org.nz. So you have to be certain that the details are correct for when you do click Publish. So I'm happy with these details, so I'm going to click Publish now. So as you can see, this course date has now appeared in my course dates window on the right. Now at the bottom of this screen is a URL which is your own personal web page on courses.org.nz. If I now click on this URL, then you can see here this is my own personal timetable on courses.org.nz that contains just my courses, and as you can see this course has now appeared on this screen. Now I can also have a look at the main front screen, and again I can see my course has appeared on this screen along with all the other courses that are currently on the website. So we have successfully managed to add a course and a course date. You can then add as many course dates as you wish and as many courses as you wish. Thank you for listening to this quick tutorial. I hope it has been useful for you.